Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to solve sine, cosine, and tangent. We'll start with the easy method, SOH, a simple mnemonic for right-angled triangles. SOH stands for sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. CAH means cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse. And TOA represents tangent equals opposite over adjacent. Understanding these three relationships is the key to solving many trigonometry problems quickly and efficiently. Let's dive in and see how each one works with practical examples. Now let's tackle sine or SOH. You use sine when you have information about the side opposite your angle and the hypotenuse, which is always the longest side. Imagine a right triangle where you know an angle, say 30 degrees, and the hypotenuse is 10 units. To find the opposite side, you'd set up the equation. Sine of 30 degrees equals opposite over 10. Solving this gives you an opposite side of 5 units. It's straightforward once you remember SOH. Next up is cosine or ca. This relationship connects the side adjacent to your angle and the hypotenuse. You'll use cosine when you know, or need to find, either of these two sides along with an angle. For instance, if you have an angle of 60 degrees and the hypotenuse measures 8 units, you can find the adjacent side. The equation becomes cosine of 60 degrees equals adjacent over 8. This calculation reveals the adjacent side is 4 units. Simple, right? Finally, we have tangent, or TOA, which is used when the hypotenuse isn't part of the problem. Tangent relates the side opposite your angle to the side adjacent to it. Let's say you have an angle of 45 degrees and the adjacent side is 7 units long. To find the opposite side, you'd write tangent of 45 degrees equals opposite over 7. This means the opposite side is also 7 units. Mastering SOH-CAH-TOA makes solving these problems incredibly easy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.